It's Nelson here at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, and HTC has just announced their new phone, the HTC One. It is a quad-core phone, the first from HTC, but today at the event, the company stressed the quality of the camera and audio, the experiences that really people use the most on their phones, according to HTC. This is Marco. He is with HTC, and talk about ImageSense. What does it do? What's different about it?
Well, actually, it's a proprietary image chip that lets us do different things. For instance, we are now able to capture complete video in HD resolution while taking pictures at the same time. We have really fast shutter speeds. So, for instance, you can capture the first picture in 0.7 seconds. The autofocus, it's 0.2 seconds. And with burst modes, with this image chip, you can do really some nice stuff. As you can see on the demo units, you're able to create a whole selection of burst images, then pick the best one, upload it to Dropbox automatically, or if you wish, then you can attach this as a link and send it via email to your friends, and they will receive it as a Dropbox. So it is authentic, it is amazing camera and authentic sound. But
let's talk about the authentic sound a little bit. So this is uses Beats audio, right?
Yeah. Definitely, we are partnering with Beats regarding these phones as well. So we now have a Beats DSP built inside, and you can see on the units that we have some different audio profiles for different types of headsets. So we have even increased the power output on the
What does that mean? So if I have a certain manufacturer's headset or a different kind of headset, it's optimized for that.
You can use any type of headset, of course, but if you use Beats, and when I say Beats, I mean any types of Beats, you will be able to get that amazing sound and that rich sound as the artist intended. So you will be able to actually use a high-quality Beats audio device and then pick from the menu what kind of a preset do you wish to use for that occasion. On top of this, the developers can use the Beats API to actually enable or disable this integration, so they can even utilize this, and we are going to see this system-wide. So it's not only in certain apps, you can use it in games, on YouTube, integrated video recording and stuff like that.
Internet-based sound systems, the Pandoras and things like that?
Yes, fully.
Okay, and another thing that you stressed today was the design quality of the phone itself. What are some of those specific features?
Well, as you can see, HTC One X, HTC One S, and One V all have some different approaches in terms of design, but the message is unique. We did pay a lot of attention to details. So here you can see this micro hole drilled by lasers. It's an excellent matte surface that you can see, and on top of this we have a Gorilla Glass, which is really super resistive, and we have a high quality screen as well. So regarding other models, you were able to see HTC One S with a different combination of aluminum casing, and they are unibody. Of course, with HTC One V as well. So here we have polycarbonate plastic on HTC One X. We have amazing unibody aluminum on HTC One S and HTC One V.
This is a 4.7-inch phone, 720p video,
and that you really expect from a phone that really is setting some standards. So in this phone we are using NVIDIA quad-core with 4+1 additional core. We have a really good screen. It's an HD screen, and it really makes a difference.
Now, the fifth core is really to help with battery life. I imagine the 4 cores do as well. Are there specs on how much battery life I can expect from this phone?
You can expect a really good battery life. Actually, HTC One X has 1800 milliamps, and while we are talking, for instance, that fifth core is doing its job. So it's waiting for an SMS, waiting for an email, maybe synchronizing our Facebook and stuff like that. But actually, when you power up the device, all four core goes up, and you're able actually to use this full power. So when we talk about battery life, yes, it will be really good.
Now, HTC makes Android and Windows Phone 7 phones. This first one that's coming out in April will be Android, I imagine.
Yes,
what version?
These three phones will come with ice cream sandwich, and the latest version of Sense, it's Sense 4. So you all saw what is new within the Sense. There are some really cool stuff like the deep Dropbox integration. So unlike the regular Android application when you download it over the internet, now you can have Dropbox integrated into the gallery. You can send links directly via email, so you don't actually need to upload photos when you're sending someone the email. And we are offering, and it comes free, with HTC Sense, not with particular phones, but with HTC Sense 4, you get 25 gigabytes premium Dropbox account for 2 years.
And as I understand it, it's a global launch. What does that mean? How many carriers to start out with?
I don't know the exact number, but a lot. So the target is to have all of these models available worldwide on April the 2nd. So actually it's the first week of April. And there's been really huge interest in these phones, as you can see.
And the camera, we're just playing with it over there. Better sensor, better lens. Everything seems faster and should be an incredible experience. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And good luck with it.
Thank you.